Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. In this class, we will discuss more problems on center of mass concept. So, in previous class, we discussed this. A wire of length L of mass M. Where is the position of center of mass of this wire means at its center. Now, if it is bent in the form of circle, total wire is going to be bent in the form of circle. Now, where is the new position of center of mass means C dash. Now, how much it is going to be shifted they are going to ask. So, total length should be equal to 2 pi r. Then r is equal to L by 2 pi. This is the new position of center of mass. If same wire is bent at its center, same wire is bent at its center by making an angle theta. So at its center it is bent means then each part length is L by 2. Now where is the position of center of mass of this L by 2 means? That is C1 at a distance L by 4. Here it is C2 at a distance L by 4. Now where is the position of center of mass of C1 and C2? So this is going to be C1. C1 and C2 means like this. If you are taking, so this is going to be perfect bisector. Perfect bisector is bisecting by making an angle theta by 2. Now C is shifted to C dash. C is shifted to C dash. Then what is the C dash? Like here C is shifted to C dash, C is shifted to C dash. So this distance I am taking it as x. From this triangle theta by 2, it is going to be theta by. So cos theta by 2 is adjacent side by. So which is going to be hypotenuse means C1 is the hypotenuse. Therefore x by L by 4. Then x equal to L by 4 cos theta by 2. This is the shift in or new position of center of mass. C is shifted to C dash. So center of mass in between C1 and C2. So this is going to be 90 degrees. Therefore, this is the hypotenuse. Next, till now we discussed the position of center of mass of two objects. If it is bent, its shape is going to be changed. Now, if you remove some amount of mass from the object or disc or surface, so this is a disc of radius r. From this, a small disc of diameter r. Diameter r means radius r by 2 is removed. Otherwise, another small disc is going to be placed. If it is placed means, so we will use this formula x equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. If the removed means, we will use x equal to m1 x1 minus m2 x2 by m1 minus m2. This is for removed. Portion is going to be removed. This is for if they placed or added. So blindly you can follow this. If they remove, we will use this form. How much mass they remove. So how we will take this one means, so what is the mass of this initial disk? Mass of the initial disk means disk is having only area. Therefore, sigma is equal to mass per unit area. So mass is equal to sigma into area. So sigma, what is the area of this one means? Pi r square. Now this is going to be m1 is equal to sigma pi r square is the mass of this bigger disk before removal of smaller disk. Now what is the mass of this smaller disk, which is going to be red color? What is the mass of this disk means? m2 is equal to sigma. What is the area of this? Pi r by 2 whole square. sigma pi r square by 4. So this is mass of second object. Now where is the position of center of mass of initial object before removal means it is going to be at center C1. Now second object center of mass will be C2. Now what is x1? What is x1 means that is 0 if you are taking coordinates like this we will take general. So x1 is going to be 0 whose center of mass of mass m1 before removal disk. After removal disk, so removed disk center of mass will be at C2. Now what is this x2 means C1 C2. Now what is the C1 C2 distance? That is going to be r by 2. Now we came to know mass, we came to know x1 x2. Now how much after removal of this, how much it is going to be shifted, we will be getting. So x is equal to, we have to use this formula. What is m1? m1 is going to be sigma pi r square minus, sorry, this is m1 we wrote. Now what is x1? x1 is going to be 0 minus, what is m2? Sigma pi r square by 4. What is x2? That is going to be r by 2. Next, we have to write m1 minus m2 divided by m1 is sigma pi r square, m2 is sigma pi r square by 4. So this is 0. Therefore, x equal to minus sigma pi r square by 4 into r by 2 by sigma pi r square is common. Then what will be coming? 1 minus 1 by 4. So sigma pi r square will be cancelled. So minus r by 4 into, otherwise r by 2 into 1 by 4. This is going to be 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 by 4. So r by 2 into 1 by 4 by 3 by 4. So again 1 by 4, 1 by 4 will be cancelled. So minus r by 6. So that minus r by 6 is indicating that after removal of this portion, it is going to be shifted little bit backwards. Now new position of center of mass C dash is going to be minus r by 6. If you remove from here, it will be shifted downwards. If you remove from here, it will be shifted rightwards. Like that, it is going to be coming. Now see, for the same problem, they have taken disc like this. So initial position of center of mass will be here C1. Now they removed one small portion, smaller disc of diameter, capital R from right side. Diameter of this smaller disc portion is R. Okay, so radius of this one is capital R, bigger one. Now another portion they removed from left side of same diameter R. Now where is the position of center of mass, they will ask. So when they removed from right portion, so whenever initially center of mass will be here, C1. If they removed right portion here, it will be shifted like this, minus r by 6. If they remove left portion also, it will be shifted again here. Therefore, its center of mass will be again at same position center. So you should not get confused on this. So only one portion if they remove, it will be shifting left side. If they remove this one also, again it will be shifting here. Therefore, it remains same. Like that they will make us confused. We should remember carefully. Now see, for the same question, so this is a disc of radius r. They removed a spare portion. A spare portion which is having diameter capital R is going to be removed. Now where is the position of center of mass, they will ask. Initial one, it is going to be here. C1 you can take. Initial one is going to be C1. That is going to be at center. X1 is going to be 0. So So what is the mass of this one? M1 is equal to sigma pi r square. Okay, this is before removal. Next, whenever they remove, its center of mass will be here. That is going to be C2. Now C1, C2 is going to be, what is this distance now? R by 2. Therefore, x2 equal to C1, C2 equal to R by 2. Now what is mass of this one? Mass of this one is sigma into. So what is the each side of this square? Each side is going to be, let us assume A. Then sigma A square. Now what is this A square? We should calculate. So what is the A square means? We want relation between side and diameter of the square. So if it is A and A, so diameter is going to be root 2A. Now if it is R, in place of R, if it is A, then R is going to be root 2A, because this is going to be, they have given capital R. So in this square, A, if we are taking, so this one they gave R. Therefore, A and R relation is, R is going to be root 2A. Then what is small a? Small a is going to be R by root 2. Substitute. So sigma R by root 2 whole square. Sigma R square by 2. This is going to be mass of the second portion. So they removed this portion. Therefore, removed means which formula we are going to use? X equal to m1 x1 minus m2 x2 by m1 minus m2. So what is x1 here? 0. Therefore, m1 is going to be sigma pi r square into 0 minus, what is m2? m2 is going to be sigma r square by 2. What is x2? x2 is going to be r by 2 divided by m1 minus m2, sigma pi r square minus sigma r square by 2. This term is going to become 0. So minus sigma r square by 2 into r by 2 divided by sigma r square, you can take common. So pi minus 1 by 2. What will be cancelled? Sigma r square, sigma r square. So in this, minus 1 by 2 into r by 2 by pi minus 1 by 2. That is going to be 2 pi minus 1 by 2. Again 2 will be cancelled. Therefore, final answer is going to be x is equal to minus r by 2 times of 2 pi minus 1. This is the new position of center of mass. So after removal of square plate of diameter capital R. So negative sign is going to be representing this is shifted towards left. Now new position of center of mass C dash. This distance is going to be minus r by 2 times of 2 pi minus 1. I hope you understood these problems. So you can practice. Thank you.